Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Madam Siti Shakila and also to my fellow group members. Today, I, Aniba binti Zulkifli, would like to present on our group presentation entitled Financial Accounting and Reporting of a Sole Proprietorship or Partnership Business. My group members consist of 4 people. First, Felicity, myself, Abdul Muksid and also Adil. First of all, I would like to say many thanks to Madam Siti Shakila for her guidance, Felicity, Muksid and Alif for their continuous support and hard work to finish off this group project. Next, I will talk about the contents of this presentation. So our presentation content will be firstly the background of the business. Second is the characteristics of the business that we have chosen. Third one will be the classification of business items. Fourth is the process of business. The fifth one is the strengths and weakness of the business. We have chosen on a sole proprietorship business called Drone Site Solution. To start off with, I will start with the business background. Drone Site Solution is owned by Engku Ahmad Fahmi. He is the sole owner of this business. It is located at Jalan Setia Gemilang U13/45B, Shah Alam, Selangor. The capital comes from the owner himself, amounting to 10,000 ringgit Malaysia. The business activity includes rental of tools and machines, and they also provide cleaning services. The next one, I will talk about the business characteristics of this company. The first one, the ownership of the company is sole proprietorship, means it starts by a single person. Secondly, the capital is contributed by the owner himself, Engku Ahmad Fahmi. Thirdly, the management for this business is managed by and controlled by the owner. Fourthly, the books and accounts. There is no legal obligation for this company to keep books and account. Fifth, the profit or loss of this company, everything belongs to the owner only. That means any losses incurred will be borne by the owner himself. Lastly, it is legally registered. This company owns a SSM certificate, Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia, and I will show their certificate on the last slide. As shown on screen is the SSM certificate for Drone Site Solution. So they was registered on June 2019. That is all from me. Thank you for your time and attention. I would like to pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Aniba, for nicely present slide regarding business background and business characteristic. Now, I will present to you regarding business classification. The first business classification is asset. Asset is a property owned by the business. Asset can be divided into two: non-current asset and current asset. Non-current asset is an asset purchased for daily operation. Non-current asset can be divided into three: tangible, intangible, and investment. Tangible asset is asset that have physical substance, such as building and office equipment. Intangible is an asset that have no physical substance, such as patent and franchise. Investment is a money that put into other organization that will have profit in return. Non-current asset is an asset that easy converted into cash. In terms of drone site solution, their asset is a cash in bank and their non-current asset is a operational equipment. The next slide is about owner equity and capital. Owner equity or capital. Owner equity or capital is a fund to the business for acquisition of asset. In drone site solution, their capital is a money in bank and their detergent stock used for their cleaning services. The next slide is about liabilities. Liabilities is a fund by external such as bank. Liabilities can be divided into two. First, non-current liabilities and current liabilities. Non-current liabilities is amount owed more than 1 year, such as long-term loan and mortgage. Current liabilities is amount owed less than 1 year, such as overdraft and account payable. In terms of drone site solution, they have no liabilities, considering they start their business with their own money. The next slide is about revenue. Revenue is a profit come from the business activity. The revenue can be sale of goods, services, and interest. In drone site solution, their main revenue is provide cleaning service to their customer and rental their operational equipment to other business. The last slide is about expenses. Expenses is a cost consumed in the process of earning revenue. Example, salary, utility bills, and office rental. In terms of drone site solution, their main expenses is purchase of petrol, payment of salary, purchase of detergent, and equipment maintenance and repair. That's all from me regarding clarification of business item. I will pass the next slide to Felicia. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Felicity and today I will be presenting on the recording process of drone site solution. So as you can see from my slides, there are two flow of this process. First one, I will be explaining on the business process, and second, I will be explaining about the recording process of the drone site solution. So as you can see, drone site solution, they begin by receiving a request from customers. And from customers, based on which they will provide a quotation for the requested services or a rental of the equipment. Once the customer accepts the quotation, drone site solution will proceed to deliver the service, and the process conclude with the completion of the service or delivery. So for the second one is a recording process, which is I will explain on this presentation. Okay, now let's delve into the recording process. Upon delivering their services, they issue an invoice to the customers, and the customers only can make payments through online and cash payment. From this, the receipts are generated for each transaction, serving as a vital source documents that are compiled for their records, which is can found in page 6, 87, and 91 in the textbook for reference. Yeah. Okay, for this business, I think it is crucial for drone site solution to maintain its own financial statements, not only for their internal record keeping, but also to uphold their accounting cycles and demonstrates its current and previous economy's position. But as we have learned from our studies in accounting classes, every business should adhere to a proper accounting process known as a posting. So in this posting, there are processes that involve maintaining journals and ledgers and preparing a trial balance at the end of the month. It is to verify the accuracy of recorded transaction. By then, subsequently, the adjustment will come into this arrangement, which is it's made to rectify any errors followed by the preparation of financial statement. For the books of prime entries of this business, I can say that there will be two types of journal, which is general journals and cash receipt journals. However, from our group opinion, as we come across into this case studies of this drone site solution, it has to come to our attention that drone site solution actually keep records in their own unique manner, while this enable them to maintain their financial records. But these incomplete records made it more challenging to generate proper financial statements, honest equity statements, and income statements. And as we can go through, these are the comments that I can compare to what we have learned and to this case study that we have been researched on. So this also I have been researched from the page of from our textbook, which found under page 6, 87 and 91 for the reference. Okay. And that's all from me, and thank you for your attention for my presentation session. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Greetings to everyone. My name Alif bin Azman. My matric number 2023-514407. Today I will be present of the strength and weakness of sole proprietorship business. We have strength and weakness. Okay. Sole proprietorship is a popular form of business ownership where a single individual operates and manages the entire business. Let's dive into the strengths and weaknesses of this business structure. So we go for the strength first. Point number 1 is affordable and simple. One of the primary strengths of a sole proprietorship is its affordability and simplicity. It requires minimal startup costs, making it accessible to individuals with limited financial resources. This simplicity of the structure also means fewer legal and regulatory requirements, hence reducing the administrative burden. Then we go point number 2, freedom and flexibility. As the sole owner, you have complete control over decision making and the direction of your business. This freedom allows for quick adjustments and adaptation to market change, enabling to you seize opportunity promptly. You can also make decisions without having a consult with partners or shareholders, providing flexibility in operation. Then we go point number 3, less paperwork. Compared to other business structures, sole proprietorship involves less paperwork and formalities. Maintaining complex accounting records or annual meeting is unnecessary accounting records or whole annual meetings. Also, it saves time and administrative costs. This allows you to focus more on the core aspect of your business. Then we go point number 4, which is straightforward banking. Operating a sole proprietorship makes banking processes more straightforward. You can be control of your balance sheet without the approval of a third party. This allows owners to conduct businesses swiftly at their own professionally decision. Then we go for last point of strength, minimal marketing fees. Sole proprietors often rely on organic growth, marketing, and personal connection to promote their businesses. By leveraging these cost-effective marketing strategies, you can reduce expenses while maintaining profitability. So that's all for strength. Then we go for weakness. Point number 1, has unlimited liability. As the sole owner, you are personally liable for all debts, obligations, and legal liabilities of your business. In case of financial difficulties or lawsuits, your personal asset could be at risk, potentially impacting your financial security. Then we go point number 2, challenging to raise capital. Sole proprietors often face challenge when seeking external funding to expand their businesses. Lenders and investors may be reluctant to provide substantial capital due to businesses' limited size and potential risk. This limitation can hinder the growth and scalability of a sole proprietorship. Then we go for last point for weakness, which is many competitors. In most industries, sole proprietorship face intense competition from larger, established companies and other small businesses. Competing with well-established brands and limited resources can be daunting. They require an innovative strategies to differentiate and attract customers. So that's all for strength and weakness. The conclusion is sole proprietorship offers several strengths that make them an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. The affordability, simplicity, freedom, and flexibility provide a solid foundation for success. However, it's essential to be aware of the weakness such as unlimited liability, limited access to capital, and intense competition. By understanding the mitigating these weaknesses, you can leverage the strength to build the thriving sole proprietorship. So that's all for strength and weakness. Thank you.